Hello everyone, this is Govin. I'm a CTO and co-founder at CoinSwitch, and I'm here to introduce you to a new and improved app features. So let me walk you through the most important changes you will observe on the app. The first change is last traded price. The last traded price is a mechanism that ensures our user discovers the most accurate price information for a particular crypto asset on our app at the time of trading. Previously, user found two different prices for a crypto asset, the buy price and the sell price, as per the state of the order book at that point of time. This wasn't the simplest way to discover the price of an asset or to make a decision of purchase or sell. We didn't stop at LTP though, we took the opportunity to further improve our technology stack. The second change which is coming to the app is powerful matching engine to reduce the latency of our crypto trading platform and ensure there is a fast matching under the hood. Latency on a crypto exchange refer to the average time it takes for a trade to be executed after an order is placed. In other words, it's the delay between when the submission of an order by a user and its execution. The time is critical in a fast moving market. A delay in execution could mean missed opportunity or even a higher price for the asset. So we went about improving our matching engine. This is to say, we are now able to execute your buy and sell order faster than ever before. And the last change is transparent pricing. With the faster trade execution and LTP in place, we were able to address a few other pain points mentioned by our users. One of these concerns was full visibility into the fee user would incur and the price they would pay before the order is completed. Going forward, on CoinSwitch, user will be able to preview the transparent breakup of the order value and the fee to be paid before the order is processed. This will provide user with complete visibility into the transaction. Further, user will also be provided with the estimated price before the order and the exact market value of the trade at execution. What I found is the path to simplicity is often the hardest. At CoinSwitch, simplicity remains our focus for product building, for solving our customer needs. Many small changes such as these add up to significantly improved user experience, and a satisfied user is all the fuel we need at CoinSwitch. Happy trading, everyone.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.